Hello there, and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this one, you'll learn how exactly to log into Facebook on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or really any device running an Android operating system. So you first of all need Facebook app. If you do not have the Facebook app, check on this channel for many tutorials with different methods explaining exactly step by step how to get Facebook or any app of your choice to your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device running an Android operating system. So when you have the app, find it in your app drawer and click on it to launch. Give it some seconds to load up, just be patient. Depending on internet speed, this may take a few seconds. And when you're in, right here, put in your Facebook login details. So if you have a mobile number, put it there. If you're using the email, type your email in right there. The second dialog box is for your password. After putting in your password, click on login and you should find yourself landing safely and softly on your home page on Facebook. Now be mindful that you downloaded the Facebook app from the right source, and to do that, check out the tutorial we have up on the YouTube channel. If you found value in this, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.